Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Black Cat. This day, real quick, something I found here. The Jenna RDA by Haze and Raven's Moon comes with these airflow control, ultem airflow control inserts. These actually go into the barrel of the RDA, and they just help change the airflow a little bit. And there's two different ones. There's this one, and then there's more. There's one that basically prevents spit back, and it's the same piece, but it doesn't have a hole in it here. So I just want to show you a real quick way to insert these. Sometimes there's been some problems in installing these airflow controls into the barrel. I'll show you a real quick way that I've been using, and it works really, really well. First thing you're going to do is you're going to mount down your deck here onto whatever Addy holder that you use. This is the one by Kim and Merlin. Pretty much use this one exclusively, honestly. Then I'm going to take my barrel here, and inside here you have this little ultem airflow control piece that spins with the drip tip. So what I want to do is I want to close this completely off. I want to get it lined up perfectly so it is 100% closed right there. All right, now I'm just going to take this piece. Doesn't really matter how I get it in here, but I'm just going to set it in, and you're going to feel it catch. So I'm going to push it down there until I feel it catch, and it won't go any further. Then I'm just going to put it on top of the RDA like so, and I'm going to turn it 1/2 clockwise like that. There we go, till you feel it stop. Once you feel it stop, it's in there. If we look back in there, you'll see it's set in there real nicely. Now let's check. So this should open and close and catch, and there it is. In there, see the little air hole there through the air hole? Close it, open it, in there perfectly. So just a little tip. One thing I will mention though, before you put that ultem piece into the barrel, make sure you put a little bit of e-juice on it, just so that it moves nice and easy in there. If you don't, those O-rings can get caught, especially if they're new. So just a little advice. Anyway, happy vaping, guys, and we'll see you soon.